Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another technical video related to fixing a problem of CleanMyMac. Recently I have updated my macOS Monterey and then it is showing me error related to my CleanMyMac. First I'll show you what's the problem. Like when I go to CleanMyMac and when I want to scan, then it is stopping automatically and it is giving me an error and this some report. And I hope everyone must have been receiving the same once you have updated your Mac version. So let's go ahead and see what we can update. What's the thing that you have to solve to fix this error? So for that, go to CleanMyMac and say Preferences. Once you click on Preferences, you have to uncheck this sound one. So just go to General Settings and uncheck this Play Sounds for CleanMyMac option. And then it is fixed. Now let's go and see how we have fixed the error. So I'll just go to CleanMyMac again. So once I click and open and when I say scan, now you can see it started scanning and the error has been removed. In this way, just a single uncheck option is helping to fix the problem. So go ahead and fix your problem with CleanMyMac. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.